Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about proofing as a print broker or print reseller. Let's first look at all of our orders. For this order, let's click View Products. We can see here that the customer has uploaded artwork and is awaiting a proof. Let's click View and Update under Actions. Next, we're going to click on Modify Design Upload Proof. From the Modify a Design Upload Proof window, we are going to click Add More File and give our new file a name. For example, we'll use Proof. Now let's upload the design. Select your design from the File Manager. Let's turn on Ask for Approval and Visual Proof. We're also going to use a CAN predefined message for proof uploaded. Notify Customer and click Save. We now see that the proof is awaiting proof approval. In the order screen, the customer will click Review Your Proof. In the Proofing Studio, we see various tools to annotate changes. For this example, we'll use the circle to highlight the text we would like to be bold. Then click Save. Now let's request a change to the logo. Let's ask for it to be larger. Click Save. If no other changes, the customer clicks Continue. On the Design and Order window, the customer will click Make Changes and Send New Proof. As a broker reseller, we can go into our order screen and see that the order is awaiting proof with changes. Under Actions, select View Update. Click Modify Design, Upload Design. Again, click Add More Files to submit our changes. Give the file a name. Click Upload Design and select the new proof from the File Manager. Turn on Approval and Visual Proof. From the drop-down, select Awaiting Proof Approval. And the predefined message Proof Uploaded, check Notify the Customer, then Save. The customer will see the order is once again awaiting approval. In the Proofing Studio, the customer can look at the previous artwork and the newly uploaded artwork with the changes. If they're satisfied, they will click Continue. On the Design and Order window, they click Approve As Is. We can now see that the proof is approved and the order is ready to be sent. On the Dashboard Orders, we see the proof is approved. Under Actions, select View Update. We now see the proof is approved and can now assign the job to a printer. For more details and information on proofing an order or other features, please consult our knowledge base. We hope this tutorial was useful and helps you to better understand PrintGizmo's proofing and order feature. If you have any questions or challenges, please feel free to contact one of our support gurus. Thank you for watching.